up, you guys? I am in the cab going somewhere, and this is so exciting because it's my closest friend's birthday today, and we are just kind of like surprising her, and we just kind of booked a yacht for her. Small, but it's gonna be a small party, just 6 people, but we're gonna have so much fun. I cannot wait. I'm all dressed up, I got my cap and everything, so we're gonna go have an amazing time together. Also, I'll be vlogging a little bit. You guys will get to see my friends for the first time, the group that I mostly hang out with. Anyway, you guys will see them. When I reach there. That's the birthday girl. Everyone wish her in the comments.
Happy birthday
To you. Oh, one more. Oh shit, I missed it. Did you see that? Once, please. Jump. Please jump.
Yeah, you saw that one?
Yeah. Where are you? कहाँ हो तुम? गुमशुदा, गुमशुदा. उधर भी जंप मार रहा है. इधर ध्वनि.
रोज शैंपेन तुम अगर में.
यहाँ पे देख.
Oh, there's one so close.
Once, please. One nice jump, please, big one.
अरे बहुत है.
So close, so. Oh my God. So guys, this is what yacht looks like from the inside. There's a washroom here. You can change if you want, and then there are balloons and everything else, and then there is a room, a freaking room inside the yacht. But yeah.
It was real.
exciting day today because firstly, your girl just got into the PR list of Pixie and I just got a package from them. So I'm gonna open that right now. I'm gonna use a scale to open this because I just cannot find my scissors. And I think this will do a better job than scissors for sure. Okay, so we have, they have written, from me to you, a collection of glow enhancing products developed to bring out your most beautiful glow, etc. And then there's this cute Pixie card. Okay, so everything, all the details are in here. Maybe you can just take a screenshot if you want to. So we have a cleansing gel here, and then a toner, serum, glow tonic serum, and then we have a moisturizer here, and on the glow stick. I haven't heard about this before, so let me just open this and see how easy this is. Okay, so it's like a stick. Let me just, is it shining? I don't know. Oh my god, it's so moisturizing. Okay, I think this much is enough. I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna start using this and see if it makes any difference. Although my skin is behaving really well since past 2 months now, it's just the dark circles that's troubling me. But I'm gonna try them and see how it exactly is like. I have never used a toner before, so yup, that's like a new thing. Anyway, so that was it. I am right now filming my haul. If you have seen it, you know it. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. What's up? It's Sunday today and I am right now going to have lunch and maybe shop a little later on. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not sure if you guys have seen my previous, one of my previous, I don't even remember which vlog it was, but it was in one of my previous vlog. I went to Melting Pot and had their garlic cheese naan, which I was craving for so long. So we're gonna go there, eat, and then maybe shop. Also, it's like 30 degrees outside, too hot to do anything. My makeup is really cakey from the under eyes and all. I don't know what to do about it, but I'll just go with the flow. Sunglasses are saving me. Hey guys, I'm back home and I did some damage. Steve Madden had their discounts going on, but first and foremost I'm gonna show you guys this. I got some candies from House of Candies. Bloody expensive, okay, like 100 grams for 160 rupees. First I told her get me everything mixed and she made it like 700 grams ka. I'm like 1000 रुपए में chocolate पे नहीं डालने वाली, वो भी like candies like this. Also half is like melted. It's just great. Anyway, so like different types of candies are here, like colorful ones and all. So let's try it out. Not worth. Because of experiment करने को बहुत अच्छी है. Money waste. So I got 2 things from Steve Madden. They had their discount going on, 40% off, and if you get 2 things you get 50% off or something like that. I got 2 things which I needed the most. One is a wallet and it's a nice wallet. I prefer zipper wallets like this because you can then store in a lot of things in here. So yeah, this was for originally. Let's not talk about it. And I'll tell you this one thing. when I was in college, I used to see all these YouTubers wearing like Steve Madden and all. And at that time, I couldn't afford it because obviously I wasn't earning and all. So I was thinking one day when I start earning, I'll gift myself, one of those Steve Madden popular shoes. She यार box भी टूटा हुआ दिया है इसने. Anyway, so yeah, finally I did it. I pampered myself and got a pair of heels, which I wanted so badly. It's like the thinnest heel I own as of now, I feel. Like it's very thin. So yeah, got that. I'm really happy and proud of this purchase. Got this for 3,500 after discount. But after discount, after 40% discount, it was for 4,200, and then after more discount, I got it for 3,500, which I think is just mind blowing. So I'm really happy with that. Also got a few things from Sephora, which is a gift from for my friend. So I don't think it will be a nice idea to like show it off. So that was it for this vlog. I really hope. Also my OOTD. I don't know where this is from. Ginger Lifestyle, Myntra, Denims, Shein, the ripped denim that I wear all the time. So guys, oh my god, Miniso! I forgot. Wait. I also went to Miniso, but I didn't get a lot of things because काफी कुछ repetitive था जब मैं last time गई थी तभी देखा हुआ था. So I was like, I don't want to waste my money or anything. So I just got like 3 things. One is this. It's a dustbin. It's really cute. So there was a brown one and a white one, but the white one was cuter. I know this will get ruined very easily, very quickly, but it's okay. It's cute. So yeah. Anyway, and the next thing I got is this dark heat resistant clip. So like it's silicone. This was for 190, no 140. This was for 190, which I think was decent, like good price, huh? And then I got this one last thing for my mom actually. It's the tenderness perfume. I have this, I'm not sure if you guys know this, I got this perfume from Miniso in one of my, it was in my my Instagram followers control by Miniso haul. And I got that perfume and it's really nice, like I carry it everywhere with me in my bag. So I just thought I'll get another miniature perfume for my mom so even she can carry it. This was for 250 rupees. The one I have was for 190 rupees, I'm guessing. So this is what it looks like. Really tiny and nice. Also, if you're wondering, Miniso perfumes doesn't last that long. Max I think is 2 hours, 3 hours max. So you have to keep reapplying it. So it's best if you get like a tiny version and just keep reapplying it whenever you like touch up your makeup or something. That is what I do basically. I just like whenever I touch up my makeup or something, it's like this fresh. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Not a lot, but I'm so happy about this. Like it's like a dream coming true. Okay, anyway, I'll just end the vlog here itself. I'm like tired AF, although I didn't do much. I was just shopping outside, but it's a cardio anyway. So yeah, I am tired. I hope you guys had fun watching this vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you guys like watching my vlogs now, make this a habit of giving it a big fat thumbs up. So I know you like it and I'll continue doing it, okay? Anyway, don't forget to work hard, be kind and stay positive. Also don't forget to, I said that already, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now.